I almost didn't go out because I was alone, because I was afraid of judgment. From who, I have no idea. But I made it. I'm at the beach. It's really a nice sunny day. I found the perfect seat. Look at that view. Wow! I was really proud of myself for finding this seat for a while. Settling in with my sushi. The only thing was I keep getting attacked by the she oak tree fruits that kept on dropping on me like every other minute. It was actually quite painful. I'm smiling because I noticed that the birds are definitely camping for my sushi, but there's no way I'm letting them eat my food. My fear of judgment is kicking in right now. But I think it's because I was filming. My thought was, why are there so many people around, even on a Monday? Don't know which sticker to choose. It's Monday and everybody is just at work. But I'm here. Wanted to come to the beach for quite some time, like alone. But just been a while since I've gone out alone because I'm afraid of judgment. Just wanted to remind myself that it's okay to go out alone sometimes. It doesn't mean that you're a loser, you're lonely, or you're weird. It's just like a personal preference, and it's not all the time where people are free to go with you. So might as well. I used to go out alone a lot, but in the past 2 years, after working and having very little me time, I think I've grown scared, and aging doesn't help as well. But I'm here. It's really nice. Instead of waiting for people to come with me, why not just come and do it yourself? You can even enjoy your own company and just do the things you like without even caring about someone else's, whether they're bored or not.